one, mina no Dumi, we do have our differences, and our differences enziwa ukuthi sibadala sobabili. Two, enziwa ukuthi sobabili bemizi yethu, and we believe in our views. So that's what made us to be different, and but we always putting our differences eceleni and face whatever that we have to face. So I don't have a problem with him, and he's still my brother in Christ and everything, you know. So we don't have a beef, because I'm busy beef. We don't have a beef. If anyone khona funa ukwazi ngalokho, we do have our differences. I'm not gonna talk about emculweni and all the stuff. Just gonna talk about the Sunday one, ukuthi what made me to stand with what I believe in. What made me to stand with what I believe in is that, one, ngizama nje ukuyikhumbula kahle as Iza. I hope you're not taking angiphazamisa. I'm in a bad position. But one, on Sunday, as abantu bazi, we had our games, celebrity games. One, inkinga la iqale khona, I'm just gonna speak the truth once and for all. Ngiphume ngale ngiqhubeke nempilo, because ngiyabona ngiyiqoki manje elikhulu, and I'm a bad person. I'm a dear mom nje nginganivezela. It's a lot inhlambe engithukwa ngazo based on this. So that's why I'm going to comment on this. I'm going to say ngendlela eyiyona. Ngiqale nje ekuqaleni, one, ngokufila kwami, and I will explain why am I saying this. Ngokufila kwami, Tina, yes, Udumi was chosen as a captain, and the captain is a leader, of which we don't have a problem with that. We are pretty fine and pretty cool with that. Udumi is a leader, is our captain. We respect that. But at the same time, I don't know. Mhlambe khona lento yokuthi this is how I feel ukuthi mina ngikhulume ngami, mhlambe ngakhulumela abanye abantu, mhlambe nabo they have their, that's why they've chose their ways and all the stuff. Ngikhulume ngami, I think I am not good enough for Udumi in the team. Why am I saying that? Checking the game, qala nje, I'll go to the other part. Checking the game first, there were a lot of times where I will be in a position. One, I'm not a soccer player, I'm not a football star and all. There were many times in a game where I stand. Ngilindele ibhola kuDumi. UDumi will rather afune liphunyuke enyaweni zakhe, and or else aphasele omunye umuntu. Okay, I ended up changing the position. Ngaya on the other side, because ngiyabona say, man, I think this thing is too deep njengamanje. So let me change the side, and mhlawumbe I'll be able to play on the other side, you know. Ngikusho lokho ngoba maningi ama build up that are coming to this. One, I'm not sure, I'm not sure one, noma ngisho two. As I said, I didn't prepare the speech, but I felt a need. Let me explain this once and for all. Ngidlule kuyona ngoba vele ngeke ngisize ngalutho. I'm not a football star, I'm an artist. One, la iqala khona iqale when we were preparing the games. When we were preparing the games, siye ejimini, taking our times preparing because we're excited about the games. Not even once la uDumi khona showed up ejimini. We only met uDumi gaming. Okay, that's pretty cool. Shuthi no good, but I believe he was supposed to be with us. Sisalungiselela ama games and be the captain, be the leader, put the team spirits, yenze we be together, you know. Well, anginankinga nalokho because vele besikade singazele lokho. Uma ngabe sekhanjwa, I think they decided ukuthi, look guys, we're gonna add abantu that will assist us because like it kind of, we are champions and igame siyakuyona inzima. And at the back of my mind I said, last year we had players adlala gospel, acula gospel. I mean, we had them and we won. Sidlala ngabo kuphela. Now, what's the need of all these people? Because we have a good team that went there and play yawina foot, you know. And nakhona last year, I complained last year as much as Sawin. My complaint was, hey guys, you don't give me enough game time because I'm here to play. That's what people are coming here for. They're not coming. Maybe if I'm a soccer players, they will go FNP ngalolo suku abazoya ngalo, befukubuka ita, they will go ngalolo suku. But njengamanje ithini esidlalayo. Mabe spinchwa ikindi, azispinchele khona, that's what they want to see. Uma ngabe see what, that's what they want to see. That's what people want to see. So let us go there. Then we're complaining game time. Of which namanje, even this one, there were bekunama signs ebenziwe ukuthi asikhishwe manje. Ngeke ngikhulumele uJumbo, mhlambe nayo nendlela yakadila ngayo ngezinto. Ukuthi mina noJumbo fanele sikhishwe. So that kuzongena labantu laba abapikiwe. Some of them, they are Dumi's friend from a team, whatever, laba dlala khona. And we had players that are meant to be there as a gospel, that were supposed to play, but they didn't play. But there are people like Tuabazo Caesar. You understand? And umanga bebe befagwa, my cry was, anyway, there was no different, you know. So now this is a build up of his iningi. It's a build up of all these things. Was zonke lezi zinto I believe ukuthi, because now I'm a leader where I am and I'm a father and ngiyakwazi ukubona a leader engagculisekile. I'm not saying nenkinga ngokuthi uDumi captain, but how he does izinto, mina personally, like I don't know, because one, uma ngabe, to cut it short, angifuna uzachaya for ngikule live. To cut it short, one thing angikhala ngayo, we are in a changing room. Uma ngabe sise changing room, okay, sesitsheliwe yonke into, that's why no guys, sekukhulunyiwe ngale, now kuyabuywa manje kuthiwa guys gqokani, sesiqedile thina. Sesiwinile case, we are going to play the final. Okay, sajabula, hence why I did the live, sijabula, sikula, agliwe magliwe, glindwe bani, all those soccer things, you know. We did that, and then again we move, okay. Bese yaphuma uDumi going back groundini, and bese siyasala siyashintsha and all about the team spirit, building a team spirit manje. Vela khona manje that awekho right ngoba there are people abalethiwe la unnecessarily. Yabo, what does that mean? That tells us that we are not good enough. Yabo, we are not good enough, and there's no team spirit. Being yabo, I'm saying this because as much as I would love to continue, but I just have to make my decision. If I don't have to go there anymore, I just don't have to go there. I don't want to do that. I don't want to be in the was especially in the unnecessary. I mean, I do talk, I do share my view, but in an end when necessary, which I need to talk. Nyaza will say, hey, we have time to blah blah blah. No, I always share my view so that you will know where I stand and why I have always a valid reasons of my views. That's why I want to know my views on Munyomundo, because I believe in I believe like you know what I get kumuntu ngenzi into sing ekizathu. Okay. This is what I believe in. Just as a slang in lapaya. Then suddenly one of the guys Besamba Nabo, ngisakhumbuli kahle, I think uThulani. Thulani ngisaid guys, niyafuneka egroundini fast njengamanje phuthumani. Hey, sisho sayike shuthi kuyoqala, fanele iqale manje igame, fanele iqale. Hey, yo, okay, fanele iqale igame, all right, that's fine. Hey, siyagijima ke manje ke sesiyasheshisa yonke into. Only to find out ukuthi mangabe sifike egroundini, hayi kuyaliwa la. Hayi manje ngicala sibona manje sise groundini, hey guys, kuyaliwa. And iyaqakeka la kunamazwi asho uThulani ethi guys, fight. Hey bo, kuliwe la. Mhlawumbe usinikeza ughozi lokuthi we must fight ukuthi we are a gospel team or what is happening. Guys, fight. All right, that's cool. Hey, I see another spirit. I see fighter ke manje. Let's be grounding. Hey man, ngiyaqala ngiyabona ukuthi hayi sibaningi la ground now 4 la ma team and uSjava came, uSjava wayelwa all the way uSjava. uSjava ngiyambingelela Java ngiyambona akekho right uSjava ethi hayi guys nihluliwe phumani musani kwenza lento eniyenzayo. Kanti kwenzakalani la? Sise grounding manje, mind you. We are not briefed with anything. Because when I believe ukuthi bekufanele siphume kule changing room sesazi ukuthi siyakwini la siyakhona, yabo bekufanele kube nomuntu ozothi guys, this is the situation lapha la siyakhona kwenzakala ukuthi nokuthi as a team asiphumeni sine spirit esi1 mekuthi sivumelene la ukuthi guys thina sivumelene siyodwa lapha. But all that I'm saying is that we are now going there to fight for udum. Because we are not a team, we are not briefed, we're not doing anything. So your fight tell manje ukuthi one man ucabangana about the situation.